Hi guys, I'm just going to go through this question and this question. So you might be thinking, oh, I got this one marked by my teacher and it was correct, so I'm going to skip through this video and go to this question. Or you might stick with me and go through both if you think both of these were hard or you just want me to explain these. So looking at this question here, this was a little bit trickier because you had mixed numbers and then a normal fraction. But what some people might have got tricked with is looking at this number and thinking, oh, where does it go? It hasn't got a whole number. Well, actually, it hasn't got a whole one on it, so therefore it would be the smallest out of all of them because it's not even a whole yet, and the others have holes. So which one is the greatest out of the remaining two? I can't compare them because their denominators aren't the same. So I cannot halve this one because there's 11 at the top. So I'm going to change 1 3/8 to make the denominator 16 because I can double the top and I can double the bottom number to give me 1 6/16. So actually 1 6/16 is going to be smaller than 1 11/16. So therefore the greatest one we have here is 1 11/16 and 1 3/8, which is also equivalent to 1 6/16. So can't really see my 1 there. And going on to my next page. Ooh, let's choose the green colour this time. So was this one always, sometimes, or never? Now I think the key word that some of you missed out was the word simplify here, so let's read it. If one denominator is a multiple of the other, you can simplify the fraction with the larger denominator to make the denominators the same. So for example, if you had 1/4 and 9/12, you could simplify the fraction with the larger denominator, which is 12, to make it the same as 4. So therefore this would become divide by 3, divide by 3 to give you 3/4. Therefore I can now compare 1/4 and 3/4 and say which one is bigger. Now some of you are saying, yep, always, but actually you can't do it always if you simplify. So I'm going to give you an example where this would not work. Let's go to a blue pen now. If you had 1/4 and you had a numerator of 7 instead of 9/12, and said, okay, yep, let's simplify this so that all of the denominators are 4, like a quarter. So divide by 3, yep, and then divide by 3 for the numerator. Oh, 7 is a prime number, only be divided by 7 or 1, and I'm dividing by 3 here, so this would not work. So there may be times actually where it depends on the numerator, that's the top number. The numerator also has to be divisible by the number you are dividing by, which was 3. Otherwise it does not work.